Ava, what you doing?
I'm eating food and my daddy likes it.
Just a minute, Ava.
That's it. And that's why I went to, and I went to, and I
Hey,
went to.
tell me, where was Mrs. McGee today when you went to the shop? Where was she?
She was getting some cake and some food
For what?
for Bethany's, for Bethany's wedding and ours, and we are gonna do a wedding,
Okay.
and we're gonna be the flower girls.
Yeah? Are you excited about that?
Yeah, I'm the big flower girl.
What do you do?
And we can just say hi,
Is that what you do when you're a flower girl?
yeah. You know, when she
No.
was, when she said, and she said,
Is that what you're going to do?
yeah, and
We better tell Bethany, okay? We'll tell her what you're going to plan to do, okay? Maybe she can tell you what she wants you to do.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Bye.
Bye.